Let's learn transport vehicles. Here comes truck. Look at car. Now comes motorcycle. This is an airplane. Here comes train. See the helicopter? Look at ambulance. This is a bicycle. Here comes a bus. See the bullock cart? Now comes boat. Have you seen a fire truck? Look at this big ship. This is a tractor.
Are you ready to learn more? Then watch out my next train and enjoy learning.
Watch out for this cool collection video now.